Okay, let's set this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Lee and we're gonna be driving together today. Okay. I'm taking my mother to work this morning and then I want to duplicate my car keys. And then my car key is just one. Okay, I think that's it. And then I have some deliveries to make as well. The bags in the car, I'll be giving them to my customers. I'll meet them up on different places to deliver before I get back home. All right, so that's just all about my movement. And so I just thought that you guys watch me drive my new car. Okay, I'm still learning, so all right, so this is Liam. This is what we have to do every time I'm going out. Liam, say hi.
Bye-bye.
You're saying bye-bye. This is what we have to do every time. Liam always wants to follow me out. And then if I am not going anywhere with him, there's a war. But then he just sits in this front seat as a way of, I don't even know. But let him just be there. When I go out of the gate, Abigail will get him. All right. That's it. There we go. My mother is outside. She's waiting for me. And I'll pick her outside the gate. You want to use your belt? No, Liam, you don't need the belt. You're not going anywhere. You're not going with me. Okay. Alright, so I have to reverse. There's no car parked in the compound. I already steamed this car for over 5 minutes this morning. I woke up early and I did that because I knew I'll be in a hurry when it's time to go. Alright, here we go. I hope John is hearing how my car sounds. Okay. Good. Liam will be picked up outside the gates. So let him just sit down and enjoy movement for now. Liam, baby. Mom is going to see you later, okay? You just have to be a good boy with Abigail. I won't take long. I'll try not to take long. All right. Yeah, we're out of the house. My road is so bad. The road in the street is very, very bad. All right, let's open the door for grandmother. Park.
It's my place.
It's time to go, Liam. Tell mommy bye-bye. Say mommy bye-bye. He wants to come. Abigail, come and carry him. I'll see you when I'm back, okay? Come on. No, go. Every day, oh, he's supposed to be used to it.
He's used to it.
He will never get used to it until he passed childhood. Is your seatbelt? Yes. I already put the photocopied ones there. There's that paper you were asking for. Okay, now we have a bumpy ride. All right, no more bumps. I'm going to see see me. We'll stop by to give where can cake to.
Where?
Yeah, this is Sokoto. She said somebody will
enter inside.
No, I'll just park. Let me call her now. So the guy was already there waiting. All right.
Was he standing there when you?
I don't know. He wasn't there when I passed. I don't know how he knew it. I was the one. That's the problem. I'll give Opelia her clothes too. I told her I'll be coming tomorrow today, so
Leave her in the office.
I don't know where her office is. She will come outside. Once I just drop you, or as I drop you, or maybe I should go to her first. Will I waste your time?
You can drop me at the gate and pass to her.
No navigator, nothing. Person just they follow you blindly. Never been.
I don't open.
Open from there.
Okay.
Let me call up. Okay guys, so I've gotten to where I'll be duplicating my key, and I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but let's check and see. All right. Okay, another task is done. Guys, look at my key. This is the new one and this is the old one, so I have 2 keys now, just in case we mistakenly lock key inside the car. So let me use this new one to try and see. Yes, I am. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, of course I look good. It worked. Oh, we have 2 keys to the car. Ooh, we have 2 keys to the car. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It didn't take so long. It wasn't even up to 30 minutes. 30? Was it even up to 20 minutes? No. Alright, so what's the next plan now? Home. Let me go back to my son. This is the old key. Ah, we have 2 keys. I'll keep the other one inside the house, and then this one will be up and out. Alright guys, so let's drive back home. We have to reverse. How should I go? How should I go? Oops, it's so hot in here. Alright. So hot. I hope there is no gutter of any kind. Okay, let me turn like this. It makes more sense going like this. I hope there's nothing there. There's nothing there that I can't see. Reversing. I learned how to reverse in my compound. I just kept using the car inside the compound, struggling with reversing till I knew it. That was good. Okay, we're parking. We're going, not parking. So I learned how to reverse in my compound. Plenty trials. The compound is big enough for the practice, so alright guys, so let's go home. I'm tired. I am tired. My radio. I don't have any other music to this car yet. Just the radio. Back home. Now we have to climb. Good, let's go. Let's go. We're back home. Okay. Good. Park. And off. Put off. Alright guys, so thank you so much. We did all the runs together. Okay, I am so tired and I am hungry. My mother actually said I should eat something this morning and I did not. Anyways, I'll see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.